All eyes on Doge. Big run up to the moon. Whew. Doge still going up. All eyes on Doge. Still big run up to the moon. Keep going up. Going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Upward movement in Doge. Dogecoin. Up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Upward movement in Doge. Dogecoin. 42.60. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin.
Friday. On a Friday, how's everybody doing? Work is done. Now we can play. That's what I'm looking at. Cheers, everybody. I'm just taking a drink right now. We got 20-cent Dogecoin. Some of you say, oh, it's way down from January. It's way down from, but we were at 18.5 this morning. And you know what the little green circle means? It means Kriss was buying. That's right. I told you the price was only going down because I was going to buy on Friday. So it's all my fault. Totally all my fault. I take full responsibility for the big drop in Dogecoin's price because the Doge gods knew I got paid on Friday and I was going to be buying. And so that's what I did. I posted on X. If you guys didn't see this morning, I always tell you guys what I'm doing. I posted it. I bought. And of course, get the snarky comments like, it's going to drop lower. Whatever. Whatever. It's accumulating Doge, buying more Doge for my bag. Because I still think we're in a bull market. And you can say all you want about bear markets and all that, but I'm still zooming out, looking at the big picture. I still think we're in a bull market. And this was a pullback. It was a little bit extended pullback. We may have hit the bottom. So now, is this the Dogecoin turnaround? That's what we're talking about. On the 15-minute time frame, we have not quite got up to the cup here, which was 20.6. But if you look at Bitcoin, look at Bitcoins. I mean, this is the classic on a short-term time frame, cup and handle. Look at that. Let me change that to white so you can see it there. Look at that on Bitcoin. Perfect cup and handle. That's what we have for Bitcoin. Yeah, no SpaceX launch today. It got delayed. We're going to watch that on Monday. That's going to be Monday. I don't know why it didn't go today. I didn't get into the details. I just saw it was rescheduled, and that's going to be Monday. So no SpaceX launch today. But that's a classic cup and handle. It's on a 15-minute chart. So it's a small, I mean, sometimes these patterns work out on small scales. Sometimes you need bigger scales. Hey, but that looks pretty good to me for Bitcoin. Back to 84.5 from a drop all the way down to 78.2. 78.2. Some are saying that filled the gap. And I'm saying, no, it didn't fill the gap. It touched the top of the gap. It didn't actually fill it. Some people say that doesn't matter. And I say, yes, it does. It matters. If you're going to fill a CME gap, it needs to actually fill it. And that was 77K, and it didn't hit it. So I'm standing by my earlier comment that you don't always have to fill CME gaps. But that's a story for another day. Now we just want to talk about Dogecoin. So what does Dogecoin look like? We zoom out on the bigger scale. Let's look at a 4-hour chart. So that's what we have. We got a big dip and a recovery happening. And typically when we do see these, we do get this kind of action here. And so that's kind of what I expect to happen into tomorrow, is kind of this funny V shape, and then we'll go sideways a bit. Volume will tick back down, things will settle. We see that a lot. So 20.5, maybe up to 21 cents, something like that is probably what I would expect going into Saturday. So that's kind of what I see happening Again, it's a small time frame. The other thing that's going to happen on Saturday is going to be my March price prediction video. And I know you all are just hanging on the edge of your seats for my March price prediction video, because my February price prediction was so accurate. It was so on point that you just can't wait to see what Kriss says for March, right? You just can't wait to see. Oh, also, Dogecoin giveaway today. That's right. From our friend Red Bull. When Red Bull shows up, we will have a Dogecoin giveaway today. Can't do it without Red Bull. So I told him we were going to do it today. He donated Doge. We're giving it away for Red Bull. And then we've got another Doge donation after that for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. More giveaways. You guys are just being generous. Of course, price of Doge is down, so it's not as much, but I mean, it's all about the family sharing the love of Doge. So what's going on? What happened in February? Dogecoin's price prediction: retail traders panic as Doge plunges to lowest level since Trump's re-election. So that's what we got, right? That's what we've got. Dogecoin price declined 12.5% on Friday, trading below 19 cents for the first time since November of 2024. Doge's latest downturn coincided with spikes in daily active addresses, signaling active sell pressure from retail traders. Despite trending in oversold territories, the Doge Relative Strength Index, or RSI, continues to slope further downward. And that RSI is really even more evident on Bitcoin, where it's in totally oversold territory, where we would expect a turnaround on Bitcoin. But we can take a look at Dogecoins because we can. Look at the indicators. We turn on the relative strength index, and let's pull it up here. And we'll go to the daily chart because that's where you really want to see it. And settings, we need to get these up to inline. And visibility inline. Yep. Bold. That's what I was looking for. Look at that. Totally oversold. We are below the 30 line. That is where Dogecoin is on the daily with the RSI. Bitcoin also totally oversold. Generally, we expect a turnaround when that happens. So we'll be looking for that on the RSI. For those who watch the RSI. So we'll flatten that out now and we'll get back. Oh, the other thing on Bitcoin as well, obviously, we were watching that 96,000 line, which was holding as really good support there until my birthday, Monday. Celebrated my birthday, yes, on Monday with a huge red candle. Dump. Tuesday, dump. Wednesday, dump. Thursday, a little recovery, but then last night, we saw a further dump, but now it's recovering back to green, all the way down and all the way back up today. That means today's just a wick. All the way down to 78, that was a wick. That was just a wick. And on Doge, it's more of a red candle because Doge dropped further percentage-wise late last night. early morning. So no one gets every prediction right. I know, but I was really wrong on February. I was so wrong. So were most people. And even someone said in the comments on this morning's video, said, well, Astro predicted it. And I was like, well, I said on January 31st, was anybody in January predicting this kind of month? Astro was the only one. He had a chart that did show a 50% decline, but the same chart showed a 100% green candle going up. He was playing both sides. He was playing both sides. That's what he was doing. So here's the wrap on February. Where is the February thing? Hold on, wait a minute. Dogecoin price plunges to the lowest since November 2024. Why did the Doge price go down in February? Trump's tariffs on Mexico and Canada. Number one, the tariffs. We got hit on February 2nd, and then we got hit again this week. Not good. Number two, Elon Musk, controversial government role. The left is certainly freaking out, and even some on the right are like, okay, what's really going on here with Elon? And of course, we in Doge, we used to love Elon Musk. Now it's kind of like a lot of people are like, we don't need Elon. We got our own thing going now with the Dogecoin Foundation, going on our own. Forget Elon. Elon was on the Joe Rogan podcast. That just came out today. I will take a listen to part of that tonight. It's like 3 hours long. I just can't sit there for 3 hours. Maybe I need to do it on double speed or something and have him talking like mice, right? To get caught up. But somebody did point out on X to me the part where Elon does mention Dogecoin. However, it's really in reference to the naming of the Department of Government Efficiency and where the name came from. But while they were talking about Dogecoin, Joe Rogan also brought up meme coins, which he really meant meme tokens. And you know my whole stance on that, because he was really talking about the crap meme tokens like the casino and all of that. He was trying to bait Elon into saying something, and Elon just wouldn't fall for it. He was not going there, because the conversation could have turned to the Trump token or Trump coin token, whatever. And so I think Joe then changed the topic, and they ended up talking about pyramid schemes and Social Security and all that, and they totally got off the whole crypto thing. But that was the piece that I listened to, which is about 59 minutes into the whole 3 hour thing. Someone said, go to the 59-minute mark and start watching there. So that's what I did. So if you guys just want to see that part, on YouTube, there's the Joe Rogan podcast with Elon, and just scroll to minute mark 59 and just watch for a couple minutes, and that's all you need to hear. But I just gave you a good summary right there. But I don't know, is Doge down 46% in February because of Elon Musk? I don't know. And how about retail traders? Retail traders panic. There's a lot to that. There's a lot of selling going on as the price was going down this week. People freaking out. And they're like, I'm getting out. I'll buy back in when it's 12 cents. And I'm like, okay, you can do that. I bought at 18.5. Actually 18.6 this morning. Woke up this morning and I was like, oh, look at that. 18-cent Dogecoin. And then I open up my Bank of America app and I see, oh, my paycheck is there. Let's do a little transfer. Bank of America to Coinbase, and let's buy some Doge. So that's what I did this morning. I didn't know if it was going to drop further or not, but I was like, 18.5 cents, especially after this big drop last night. I'm like, okay, even though it did go a little lower down to like 18.2, that was at 3 o'clock in the morning. I was sleeping at 3 o'clock in the morning. You think You think I'm awake all night, like watching the charts, just waiting for the lowest low, and then buy then? You think I do that? I don't know. I sleep. I need my sleep. Oh, 40 minutes to go, Red Bull. Okay. Red Bull says 40 minutes to go. So we will do the giveaway right after 4 o'clock, my time. All right, Red Bull. Gotcha. While Dogecoin's price mirrored the broader market downturn this week, on-chain data reveals that Doge's 46% loss for the month surpasses those of Bitcoin and ETH, primarily due to increased selling pressure from retail traders. You guys were selling. Well, maybe not you guys, but some of you panic sold. When it hit 19 cents, freaking out. Oh no. Oh no. Exactly, DB. How can you blame Elon for like every other crypto going down too? Everything was in the red last night. Everything was dropping. According to Sentiments active addresses chart, Doge reached a February peak of 103,000 active addresses when its price fell below 25 cents, following Trump's tariff announcement on Monday. And of course, Monday again was my birthday. Thanks for the nice present, President Trump. Appreciate it. Dumping the market on my birthday. How dare you? Since then, active addresses have remained above 88,000. Heightened number of active addresses during a price dip suggests that many retail traders are actively selling, exerting downward pressure on Dogecoin's price. Who's selling? Who's selling? Nobody here is selling. Well, some of you bears. Some of you bears. In summary, Dogecoin's recent decline below 19 cents, influenced by geopolitical events and internal controversies, has prompted panic selling among retail traders. Panic in Detroit. Panic on the streets of London. Panic everywhere. And Anthony sold. That's right. That's the 69 Doge. He was gifted 69 Doge. And he panic sold. Unbelievable. Panic sold. So, is there a death cross coming? Is this all going to be like, is Doge dead? I don't think so. The RSI is down deep in oversold territory, which we just looked at, suggesting that Doge may be nearing a short-term bounce. The persistence downward slope of RSI indicates that selling pressure remains dominant. Well, we just looked at the RSI, and it's actually not persistent down. It just dropped there. So we will see how that turns around. We need that bullish divergence, right? Which we had on the RSI, on the double bounce that Trader Allen had looked at yesterday. But at that time, he was predicting Doge was going to come back up and go higher from, I guess that was 20 point, what was that level? It was at 21 cents. And instead of doing what Trader Allen thought, which TA would tell you would be the normal move on that double bottom, the normal move would be come up over 21.2, come back, retest, and go higher. It dumped, which tells you technical analysis and all these patterns and things don't really mean a thing. The news will dump it anyway, which has been my point all along. Follow the news, follow the liquidations, hundreds of millions of dollars of liquidations again really moved the market. So why Doge and meme coins are crashing even after the SEC guidance on memes, which was actually pretty good. The guidance was good. What SEC said, not securities, but the Trump tariffs, fears of inflation, the stock market had a bad day yesterday. Today kind of recovered a little bit. But the sell-off last night was pretty big, and it hit everything, not just Dogecoin. So for all of you saying Dogecoin is dead, no. But yeah, we can't get over this 20.2 line. This is my resistance line, and we just hit it. And we're not getting over it quite yet. So we need a little help, guys. Who's buying Dogecoin? Is my audio choppy? Test, test, test. Excellent connection. YouTube says for the stream. Excellent connection. We're all plugged in. I don't know, dude. Sorry about that. Buy a little, sell a little, as long as I end my day with more Doge at a lower average. The whole Zelensky thing was wild today, wasn't it? Trump kicked him out of the White House. It was like, wow. It was all set up for him to start peace talks. Nope, he didn't want to go there. He didn't want to go there. It's like, okay. Yeah, I'll tell you about the Doge giveaway when it's time. We need Red Bull. So we will wait for him. 24-hour stream. Okay, Harry. You're about to get off work and go to the moon, SP, and then you'll wait for Dogecoin to catch up. That's good. That's good. Oh yeah, there was that little Bybit hack too that really took it out on ETH. That was another thing. At another time, that would have been a huge black swan event. I think Ben Zhao did a great job filling the holes, getting loans, buying back crypto to make sure everybody's safe. He did a good job there. That's good to see. Unlike Luna, remember when that crazy, I don't know, that was like a day and a half of like Do Kwon trying to save his precious Terra stablecoin by minting like billions of Luna tokens or whatever that was. That was crazy. Didn't happen. Didn't happen. Yeah, we will do only good every day. Yes. Buying the dips, selling is for quitters. Charles bought this morning. It was a good time to buy Dogecoin, wasn't it? Now, is it going to come back down? There's a possibility. That's not out of the realm of like further come down. Bitcoin, like big red candle here on Bitcoin following the cup and handle. Not supposed to do that. Cup and handle is supposed to be this beautiful pattern that leads to higher prices. Nope. It's just a drawing on a chart. Doesn't mean anything. Doesn't mean anything. So that's what we've got. Hey, Lucifer, how are you? Oh, Trump is still going to end the war. He'll just go back to Putin and say, okay, let's end it. What's up, Sunshine? How are you? March Madness or March Sadness? Last year, it was madness. I'll tell you what I think tomorrow. Elon just tweeted Zelensky has been fired from his acting job. I know, Vance and Trump just took it to him today. I mean, what a great opportunity, right? He wanted to participate. He wanted to be at the table because he was complaining. Americans were just going to meet with the Russians, right? Well, he got his chance and he blew it. He just wants the money. Well, guess what? Now, that's even more reason for the Americans to trace the $350 billion we already sent there, and there's going to be hell to pay. Absolutely. They're not messing around. Stubborn by nature, Greg? I do hope for the best, too. I want the war to end. I don't want people dying. The whole land thing, there's going to be a compromise. They're going to figure something out. It's not going to be the best for everybody, but that's how it goes. But as Trump said, Zelensky is not in a position to negotiate. He doesn't hold the cards. Will Doge go to 40 cents this year? I thought Dogecoin would be at 40 cents today, if you remember from the beginning of February. Today was the day Doge was supposed to be at 40 cents. So I'm still predicting a good year for Doge. I still think there's big things coming. I don't think we're done with the bull market. So yes, I'm still optimistic. Buy the Zelensky tip. Waiting for the 6 cents as predicted by Ali. Yep. And he just said that again on like XRP. He earlier today, he had some chart on XRP saying it was dropping to $1.32 and XRP's at 213. I'm like, $1.32? That's a big drop. Yeah, I don't see that coming. I don't see that coming. War. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. Say it again. Great song. Say it again. I know all that stuff. I know those songs. I tried to enlist for the military and they denied me. The area has been contentious, let's just say. Yes. Christian, just get Doge to $1. We're talking about all this war stuff. I know, DM, we still got a few more hours. Big run up, 40 cents. Yeah, LOL. Exactly. I think it's going to be a long period of time, Henry, and it's going to have more dips in it. This is going to be one of those bull markets that is going to test your patience. It's going to test your patience. XRP, what is it good for? I like that. Yeah. I have no money to buy now. I know a lot of people are all in, no dry powder, and you get a big dip. I get it. Was this the bottom? This time, was this the bottom? This is the bottom of a temporary pullback in an overall bull market, of which we've shown again and again, especially 2017, we had multiple 30% pullbacks for Bitcoin in a bull market. This was an extended one. I think Ali gets into Pax Cat's catnip. Oh, man. There's an XRP token unlock coming. Yeah, again, with XRP, you don't know when it's going to happen. There's no set schedule. Solana's is kind of like that, and Solana's got their big token unlock tomorrow too. Why Solana's up 5% today, I don't know. Why did it go on this big run this morning? It's going to dump tonight. This is the fifth bottom. I know. To dump, to dump, to dump, to dump. Hype thinks it's going to pull back a bit more. It's a bottom, but not the bottom of the bottom. My prediction was valid until Trump ruined everything. Yeah. I was all set up to start taking profits that inauguration weekend, pre-inauguration. And that Trump token just didn't expect that. I think you're going to see Sol come down tonight, Isaac. No, NCT, that's not how it works. They don't buy the ETF. They host the ETF. Retail and institution buyers, they buy the ETF and they sell the ETF. So if a bunch of retail buyers buy the ETF, then BlackRock buys Bitcoin as the underlying security for the ETF. But if all those ETF sellers or holders are selling, which they have been this week, big selling, then BlackRock needs to sell the underlying Bitcoin. That's how it works. What's up, Jason? How are you? Cheers. You saw I bought Bitcoin this morning. No, Bitcoin. Dogecoin. I bought Doge this morning. If Doge hits $1, will it continue up in the future? Ahmed? That'll be all new territory. Have no idea. If it's hitting $1, though, there's something good happening for Doge. And I'll give it that. There's something really good happening for Doge if it hits $1. The bottom has to be in. It has to, Mark. Big companies can buy ETH. Yeah, I'm not sure what you mean, Holly. Hoping for 69-cent Doge on 420. If it does, you're giving away 690 Doge. Wow, Greg. 69-cent Doge on 420. What if it's 42-cent Doge on 420? Do you give away 420 Doge? I'm just asking. 42-cent Doge on 420. Yes, Poppy, there will be a giveaway today. Thanks to our friend Red Bull. Never say never. You know what, Jason? Paycheck came in and I'm like, yep, no mortgage to pay, no rent to pay. It's all mine. It's all mine. The taxes are quarterly here. So my next tax bill isn't until April. So March is, let's buy some Doge. Then 420 it will be. There you go. All right, Greg. Yeah, NCT. I did manage to catch, but I just did that few minutes between Mark 59 minutes in, and I watched for about 5 minutes. I just watched that window. I'll watch the rest of it over the weekend probably. But that was the part that I was told to watch, which had the reference to Dogecoin. And yeah, really not much there. Not much there. But go watch it. And just, if you don't want to watch the whole thing, just scroll to marker 59 and then watch for about 5 minutes and you'll get the whole thing about Dogecoin, which underwhelming. Elon's just not interested in Dogecoin right now. Not interested. So most of the news is all about this Zelensky White House visit, all politics. Charlie Kirk just says, I have never been more proud of President Trump than what I saw today at the Oval Office. Breaking, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio just pulled the plug on Ukraine's energy aid after Zelensky disrespected America inside the Oval Office. Actions have consequences. So that's what's going on today. It's all the fallout now of Zelensky's visit to the White House. Yeah, maybe he shouldn't have done that. That's not looking so good. Totally out of his element. So, yeah. Oh, here it is. Doge Designer just posted that clip. All right.
I also like Doge started as like a sort of a meme coin. Right. You know, it was like a joke, cryptocurrency involving memes and dogs. Mm-hmm. And
which is so funny that the letters wind up being perfect.
Yeah. Well, actually, I was originally going to call it like the Government Efficiency Commission, which is a very boring name. And then people online were like, no, it needs to be the Department of Government Efficiency. And I was like, you know what? You're right.
Of course.
Of course.
Of course. I mean, it's more evidence of simulation.
Totally.
That little
like the
Shiba, you know?
Like our mascot is a cute dog. Also, like Doge started as
that was it.
Sort of a meme coin.
I mean, that was it. Very underwhelming on the Dogecoin part. But that's what's going on. It's going to be a rigged giveaway. Absolutely. It's going to be 3 rigged giveaways coming later in the stream. You bought 500 Doge at 18.1. Wow. Tobias. That was the bottom. That was the bottom. Good job. I'll have no mortgage on the next run up. Great goal, Jason. Go for it. Go for it. We were in a situation where we weren't paying off a mortgage. We were buying a new house. And I've never had an easier closing. Never had an easier closing. Because there was no bank. There was no mortgage. Didn't have to sign like 100 pieces of paper for a stupid mortgage. Didn't have to pay for a stupid assessment of the property and all that. Just so easy. MB, I'm here, even on the red days. Even on the red days. Greg, you no mortgage, building your house. Long, hard roads pay off. And that was mine. Made it. You purchased 5,000 H-bar yesterday. Nice. 18 cents for H-bar. And what's H-bar now? 21. Nice. Yeah, it dipped pretty much like Dogecoin did. Dogecoin's at 20 cents now. Yep, I'm on early. Just popped on. It's like, it's a Friday. You know, we'll hang out, give away some Doge, try and have some fun. I mean, Doge was in the teens. That was pretty tough, especially this morning, waking up to 18-cent Dogecoin. But I was like, you know what? It's a buying opportunity. Buying opportunity. I know the bears think that it's going to go lower, but I'm like, 18.5, 18.6. That's good. I'm buying. Yeah, I don't know. The whole Zelensky thing. You were buying at 18 all night. 18. And I'm like, right now on my purchase from here, I'm up 7.5% right now. So if I had just had that cash sitting on Robinhood Gold or in a Coinbase USDC, that'd be what, 4.5% for the whole year. But I've got 7.5% in just like 6 hours, 7 hours. There's a risk there, always a risk, but that's why I don't sit on cash in bull markets. And you buy on the dips. Why don't you just go to that other realm and tell us $1? No, because you need me here every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. You like the Ledger Nano S? Not only got, that's really all you need is the Nano S. It does everything you need. Works great. Japan said he was going to help take care of my mortgage on the next one. Oh, Jason said he was going to help take care of my mortgage. Got it. Jason, you're so generous. That's a lot of Doge you'll be giving away so other people can take care of their mortgages. Can't watch Vision anymore? Yeah. Well, Henry, different strokes for different folks, right? I haven't been watching him. Happy Friday. Dang, what a day. I know, right? Again, woke up this morning. We were down here. First thing I turned on my phone. Before I even look at the chart, I turned on the phone, and the first notification was Dogecoin is down. It's like, damn. Went to bed last night, 19 cents. I was like, that's pretty bad. It was 18.5. I was like, whoa. When $18. Now we're talking, Harry. Exactly. Well, you need to ask that question to not me, but Mr. Ali or Dima James Potts, because they're the ones talking $18 Dogecoin. So you got to go on their streams and ask them, sir, when $18? You bought a Doge t-shirt and a coin for luck. Jozo, how are you? December 2025, Doge will be $4.50. XRP, $11. Good luck. You bought 20,000 Doge 2 days ago and thought you made out like a bandit. Yep. It can do that. So that would have been probably in the 20s, maybe 21 cents. Yep. I stuck no dollar. You guys. Never sold. You say, but you didn't sell. But I did. I did sell. And I booked profit on a lot of Dogecoin and just about all of my other crypto. Mahmoud, you haven't been around. You haven't been paying attention. But it was just about a month ago. Now I'm buying back in at a lower price. Doge to $1. There's still a big move there, Anthony. We'll see how it goes. I want to see these partnerships, right? I want to see what this Doge Connect thing really is with SuchPay. Is that really going to get adopted? Are these partnerships like A-list companies or B-list companies? That's what I want to see. And the whole X money, Elon, Tesla, and all that, that's the fall. That's not now. That's the fall. I know, Charles. That's what I keep hearing. I haven't watched him in a long time. It's been over a month since I've watched him. Don't have time for that depressing. Raiden said he's buying houses for everyone next to Kriss. Do I really want you guys as neighbors? I don't know. I don't know. Bunch of crypto degens in my neighborhood. It's like, no. Oh. At what price does everyone stop buying? So if we get a price going up from 20 to 30 cents, do people keep buying over 30 cents? I think there's going to be a lot more of tenuous kind of feeling like, yeah, not so sure after what just happened. Yeah, I think that's pretty accurate, DB. 20 to 30, and then once it gets over 30, well, there'll be some newbies coming in over 30, right? Just like we saw in November. A bunch of new people following in at 40, 45, 48 cents. Bought the top of that run. There's always some of that. Yeah, the $1 million Doge. I know, exactly. Not this time. You're stuck on $1, Cheyenne. Stuck on $1. I hope it comes. I want to have that party. Big party in Boston if Dogecoin hits $1. I want that party. Remember the 100K Bitcoin parties down in Miami? Michael Saylor. Yeah. I want to do that. But it'll be here in Boston. And probably won't be as fancy or expensive as that party was. I didn't get an invite to Michael Saylor's 100K Bitcoin party. So fine, Michael Saylor. You can have your hoity-toity Bitcoin 100K party. We'll have the fun dollar Dogecoin party where everybody can come. Everybody. Still feeling pessimistic, Johnny? I know the stock market is a little tenuous as well up there. I get it. But if anybody wants stocks to continue going up, it's Trump. And he knows this is a temporary thing. The tariff fears, the inflation. It's hard work fixing all that, though. And there's going to be some pain along the way. But he wants it to turn around. That's why I say have patience. Let's let it play out. If you're freaking out about the prices, maybe you shouldn't be in crypto. Maybe you shouldn't. 40, 50% down on purchases in the 40s. It's like, that's crypto. It happens every cycle. You're not buying any Bitcoin till it goes under 75K. See, 77 was my CME gap target, and it didn't hit it. It didn't hit it. So we'll watch Bitcoin, what happens. But the lowest it got was 78.2. Didn't make it to 77K. Not time yet, MB. Not time yet. You watch the Joe Rogan podcast with Elon, avoiding the subject. And I do really think the conversation that happened just after that clip, where they're talking about meme tokens, they were treading lightly and purposely did not bring up the Trump token. Purposely. You could tell. They both thought it. That's the way I read it. It's like they both thought it. And it's like, no, they're not going to bring that up. BTC has to go to 73. No, it doesn't, John. Look at past bull markets. Past bull markets, Bitcoin did not go back and retest support layers. Didn't do it. It doesn't have to. The Doge neighborhood, right? Yeah. One of those tourist Boston trolleys comes by and says, yes, and in that neighborhood, those are all the Dogecoin degens who live over there. Oh. Hit the like button. Pat reminds everybody. I mean, still don't even have 100 likes yet. And Red Bull isn't off work yet. In a little bit. Rename the street Doge Street. But then people will be confused. They'll think it's Elon's government efficiency thing. Yeah, it would be a depressing neighborhood when crypto is down, especially the bear markets. It's like, what are we going to do? You'll buy up to 33 cents. Everyone's standing in the street at 6 a.m. $1. We are in for the PAX Boston party. It's going to be the place to be. Hard to talk about it. Doge is only at 20 cents. It's got to do a 5x from here. Just asking for a 5x. Just a little 5x. You had 16-cent Doge, which you sold around 40 cents. Then started buying the dips. Now nothing left to buy. This one, your average is 25 cents. But I mean, that's a swing trade. It's a swing trade, so you have more Doge than you had. Ready for the next run up? Yeah, they didn't do the mineral deal. I'm not worried about the mineral deal. I'm really not. They'll get to that. Stocks going down, best time to buy. Extreme fear in the market. That's what I say. When there's blood in the streets, that's the best time to buy. Even if it dips a little more, still. Hey, Red Bull's back. Will it be a nightly dip? Zelensky gate? I don't. No one thinks that what happened at the White House today with Zelensky is going to affect the crypto market. Yeah, I would prefer the Doge party not be in the middle of winter. It's cold here. It'd be a lot more fun in warmer weather. Sally's dream, special day, doing some shopping, Dogecoin. It's nippy. Yeah, that's a good way to say it. It's nippy. It's freaking cold. It's cold. The handle's forming on Doge now. It's a little thing. It's nothing. We haven't even gotten up to 20.6 yet. We need to finish up to 20.6. Bitcoin finished, did a handle, and now it's doing a smaller handle. It's a little second one, for the pinky finger. Red Bull gives you wings. and giveaways. Nice. Starting to think Elon abandoned Dogecoin. Maybe. Rocket launch is Monday. So Monday live stream, we're going to do the Starship launch. Ready for $10 Doge after find out Fort Knox is empty. Thank you, Greg. Appreciate it. Always. Everybody give a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. We're about to get ready on some Dogecoin giveaways today. Yeah, the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow are all up. We're just ending the stock trading in just a couple minutes. Just about everything is up except Megal. Megal is down almost to that new buying target after the reverse split. I'm still following Megal. We'll see what the new range is going to be for swing trading Megal. Kilmar, doing well today. Doing well. Vance, you got your wallet problem fixed. Well, that's good to hear. Still not getting notifications. I don't know about the notifications. Some days it happens and other days it didn't. Justin, hello. Another one. Bitcoin will definitely reach 75 to 76. It doesn't have to. It doesn't have to. Zelensky looks stuck. It could just go higher, guys. It could just go higher. Crypto can just go higher. It doesn't need support. It can just trade higher. Yeah, Kyle, we talked about that earlier. Yeah, it's like a casino. They were talking more about the meme tokens. It wasn't specifically about Dogecoin. They had moved on and they were talking about meme tokens, but they were calling them meme coins. That's what that was. Yeah, I haven't been watching VP Pedro. I just live through him vicariously through you guys. I don't know. How much did I buy today? I bought 21,000. What was the number? 400? Yeah. 21,470 Doge is what I bought this morning. It says 19 cents, but the Coinbase, they rounded up. It was really 18.6 was the price. And if you do the math, the $3,993 to 21,470 Doge, you get 18.6. And that's what it was. And I paid a $2.80 fee on Coinbase. So that was my purchase this morning. That was like at 7:27 this morning. That was my buy. The European leaders are backing Zelensky. Whatever. Hey. Whatever. All right, guys. Hey. You know what? Every day is a good day, particularly when you give away Dogecoin. So let's do it, guys. We're going to have 3 draws of 30 Dogecoin each today, this time. 3 draws of 30 Dogecoin each. So what we need to do is type in the chat the word Dogecoin with a capital D, Dogecoin, in order to be entered in the draw. Dogecoin with a capital D, just like that, Dogecoin. If you do it with a lowercase d, you're not entered. It needs to be a capital D, Dogecoin. If you type in Dogecoin multiple times, it only counts as one entry. You're not going to game the system. And in fact, I think if you probably do multiple Dogecoins, maybe you're at the bottom. I don't know how they do it. It's random. It's not rigged. Not rigged. Dogecoin's at 20 cents. We're doing a giveaway. We want green candles. You know, this week, even though we had big red candles, they were always green during the KrissPax Doge giveaways. Did you notice that? We always had green candles during the giveaways. Good vibes. Good vibes out there. Giving away Dogecoin. Good vibes. 69 entries so far. 69. See if we get 100 people. Do we get 100 people in the draw for Dogecoin? You'll be getting 30 Dogecoin from me tonight if you're a winner. Or you can decide you're just doing it for the fun of it and you want to pass it on, or do another draw. Thank you again to our friend Red Bull, who has donated the Dogecoin for today's giveaway. Your generosity is awesome. And, you know, people are learning too through this whole thing how to transfer Dogecoin, which is a good thing too. He never transferred Dogecoin before. So we worked through it last night, how to go through the process of transferring Dogecoin. Always another learning opportunity. Another learning opportunity. It's all good. It's all good. If I don't win, it's rigged. Did you enter yourself, Red Bull? You should enter. We're still 5 Dogecoins short. You should just type in Dogecoin. It'll be fun. If you win, then we'll just draw again. You should do it. In fact, I'll do it. I'll join. There we go. All right. Red Bull and KrissPax are both in. We're in the draw. It'd be funny if one of us won. All right, let's do it. This is all, again, it's all the love of Dogecoin. Dogecoin's all about doing only good every day, having fun, and giving Dogecoin just feels good. It just feels good. So let's go. Draw number 1. Let's do it. Here we go. Here we go. Mert, I saw your name. Oh, I saw me. I didn't win. Donald Evans. Donald, you are the first winner. This is our 13th Dogecoin giveaway. Do you know that? 13 Dogecoin giveaways. Wow. Give away 13. Donald. Congrats, man. So here's what you do if you're the winner. If you're the winner and you want to receive Dogecoin, you send me an email. All right, Donald, cool, thanks, you're welcome. Thank Red Bull. Send me an email at chriscrypto@gmail.com. And you need to include in your email your Doge wallet address, needs to begin with the letter D, and your YouTube handle, which of course is yours. Probably Donald Evans is probably in your email address too, but also put it in the text. Donald Evans, Dogecoin winner, give me your D Dogecoin wallet address, and tonight you'll be getting 30 Dogecoin. I know, so close, Sally's dream. You were so close. All right, we're going to give away the next 30 Dogecoin. If you've already entered, you're in. You're already in. You don't have to type Dogecoin again. You are in. All right, second draw. 30 more Dogecoin on the line. Who's going to get it? Who's going to get it? Christian. Christian. Keva was so close. But it is Christian for the second lot of 30 Doge. Congratulations. Congratulations there, Christian. Send me your, send me your Dogecoin wallet. MB, you haven't seen your name flash by. Okay, we'll see if it goes this time. They go pretty fast. And you've got a short name. Mini rigged. All right, let's do the third draw. You guys ready? Here we go. My day's great, Stephen. I bought Dogecoin when I got up this morning on the dip, and I'm in the profit on that Dogecoin. Always a good day. And now I'm giving away Dogecoin, which makes me feel better. Third draw. Greg, you were close. Ryan was close. Greg and Ryan right there. The winner is Zach. Zach, congratulations. Send me your wallet. Zach. And that is how you do Dogecoin giveaways. I'm giving 30 Dogecoin away for each of the winners today. That's 30, not 33. So send me your wallet. Red Bull. Thank you. LFG. Yes. Yeah, Peter, Dogecoin. Christian said, pass it on. I missed that. Christian, did you say that? Oh, there it is. Wow, Christian. All right. We're going to pass it on. We're going to do another draw. Let me find that. Yep, there it is. Christian says, pass it on. We are going to do another draw. Thank you, Christian. Always the fun, right? Gives everybody another chance. Gives everybody another chance. For the fun of it, Space Cowboy. For the fun of it. Hey, if I win, we'll do another draw. Dodgeball. All right, let's do it. Draw again. Hey, 30 more Doge. MB, I saw you. Blake Balmer. Hey, Blake. Blake is a winner. You already won, didn't you? Wait a minute. Maybe not. I'm scrolling up, but I haven't seen that. All right, Blake. Congratulations. Send me your Dogecoin wallet address. And I'll send you some Doge. And as usual, look what happens when Kriss is giving away Dogecoin. Green candles. Green candles, guys. Your math is a little off, Mert. A little off. It's a sign. We'll be doing giveaways on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday already. Yeah, 30 million, exactly. million per Doge. Exactly. What is going on with the heat map? You know, guys, it's a lot of liquidations. So over 24 hours, Bitcoin, $433 million. Doge was 18 million. 25 on XRP. Solana, 46 million. Wow. The overall damage was almost $900 million in liquidations. $900 million. So yeah, we're going to see a lot of damage here with the dip from last night. They were all relatively short durations. We got to zoom out though, like the 3-month chart, because this has been since November. None for the 3-month. I know there's more. Let's go to the 6-month. I know there's a lot of them down there. There we go. This is what they were after. And most of these leverage plays had been since November, like middle of November. And they've been riding it along. And now they get liquidated. They didn't close out their leverage when Bitcoin was up over 100K. So that's what they were after with these big ones. Now there are more big ones down here. 75K, 2.8 billion, 74, 2.6 billion. I mean, there's some big leverage trades still open down here. But the shorts, there's some big ones up here too. Billions of dollars of shorts still open. We'll see what Doge's looks like. Now, Dogecoin hasn't been this low since. Oh, it doesn't go to the 6-month. Why doesn't it give you the 6-month? They don't let you see the 6-month. So not much to see there. A lot of shorts up here, though. They should just get the shorts out of the way. Look at that. We do giveaways. We get three consecutive green candles. All right, Blake, I got you. Turn my notifications off there. Gotcha, Blake. Won't be a global currency? Never know. Gold is not a world currency. Nope. Not using gold to buy things. But we are going to watch what these partnerships are that Tim Stebbing of the Dogecoin Foundation was talking about. And we'll know in a couple weeks. We will know. Yeah, wealth storage. Right. Not as a transactional currency, but wealth storage. And now Bitcoin is also used for wealth storage. But what are you going to use for currency? Day-to-day transactions. Yes, MG. Prost. Wait till the Trump economy starts. Yes, I agree with that. We're going through this pain right at the beginning, and he said pretty much the same thing. We'll get there. We'll get there. There's definitely not another giveaway at 420. Harry, what are you doing? An extra surprise? Rumor. It's a rumor. Don't tell anyone. It's a rumor. Shh. Shh. Don't tell anyone. Rigged. Of course. Rigged. Everybody wants Trump to break out, but $13? I don't know. Well, I guess it's up from the dip this morning. It's down at 1120. Koi, you got a Corona? Cheers. No, a lot of this is still left over from Biden, and Trump is clearing out the mess. It's going to be painful, but we'll get there. It would be hilarious if Doge became a huge deal. Yes. Did you buy the dip? Yes, I did. I bought the dip. I can say I bought the dip. Charlotte, just type in the word Dogecoin right now with a capital D, okay? Type it in right now. Dogecoin with a capital D. Happy Friday. Always a great day. How many total wallets? I don't know. I do not I don't know where to keep track. I guess if you go to bit info charts. Yeah. You go to Dogecoin. Somewhere in here, it tells you the total number of wallets. But I haven't looked at this lately. Mining, rich wealth distribution, active addresses, largest transactions. Nope, it doesn't give total number of wallets. Not that I see. No, I don't see it. Charlotte, did you type Dogecoin in the chat? Did you type Dogecoin in the chat? Yeah, you go to the rich list and it doesn't. Well, I guess here, maybe all addresses. Well, there's 1.9 million addresses that hold it from 0 to 0.1 Doge. Hey guys, what time is it? 4:20. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, 4:20. Woo! We have another draw. I didn't win. Ryan didn't win. Who's going to win? Guy Algen. Guy Algen. Are you still here, Guy Algen? Or did you leave? Because we got another giveaway that just happened. Surprise at 4:20. Guy Al J3N. Guy Algen. Send me your Dogecoin wallet and you're going to get, yeah, there you are. Send me your Dogecoin wallet and you're going to get 30 Doge as well. Yeah. A surprise 420 giveaway just happened on KrissPax Live. And another green candle. Now we have 4 green candles in a row. We're trying to get over this 20.2 resistance line here. Doge is having a tough time getting over that line. Wow, so much rigged. So much rigged. Yes, via email, chriscrypto@gmail.com. Send me your Dogecoin wallet. Now, 420 my time, Christian. Yeah. To me, chriscrypto@gmail.com, which looks something like that. KRISSKRYPTO, chriscrypto@gmail.com. Congrats. Hey, Sunday, live stream. More giveaways. It was a surprise. Rumors don't always come true. Belkey. Doge will go up or down. Yes. Yes is the answer. And that is true, Eric, because we don't know how many actually hold Dogecoin or bought Dogecoin on Robinhood. We have no idea. They don't give that number. It's a lot. It's millions, millions and millions on Robinhood. And they're just in, all that Doge is in the handful of Robinhood wallets, particularly like this big one here that has 28 billion Dogecoin. The number one wallet, that is a Robinhood wallet right there. Almost 20% of all Dogecoin is sitting in this wallet right here. And that's your Dogecoin if you bought on Robinhood. That's where your Dogecoin is. It's in that wallet. So if you have 1,000 Dogecoin, your 1,000 Dogecoin is part of this 28.8 billion Dogecoin stash in this wallet that is owned by Robinhood. That is confirmed. That's not a whale who's going to sell and dump Dogecoin on the market. No, that's not what that is. For those of you that might still think that. Here he says, oh, that's where my wallet went. It's only worth $5.7 billion right now, Harry. You've lost billions of dollars while your wallet was lost. You're down billions. Down billions. Thanks, Monica. We try and keep it light. Wait, I know it's your money and people get all upset about their money, especially when things are down. But you got to live, you know? You got to live. Doge will always go up and down. That is correct. You know, Anthony, crash, dip, you know. I mean, if you measure it all the way back from 48 cents, down a lot. 55% is a lot. Yes, the exchanges have to buy and hold the equivalent, and they usually have a lot more as liquidity for trading. So Coinbase and Robinhood, they've got a lot. They have a lot of Dogecoin. Anthony wanted to mess with us. I know. Why sell 69 free Doge? I agree. Hey, we tried. We tried to make a bull out of a bear. In the end, he showed his true colors. Exactly. The crypto exchanges are the whales. For Dogecoin, they're most of the whales. I flipped a Dogecoin to decide between sending Kriss Doge or a super chat. Fate said, give Doge. Ugh. I gotta look at my Doge now. It doesn't give me notifications. Oh my gosh. You gave more than I thought. Guys, you know what that means, right? It's another draw. Let's go. Let's go. Another draw. Surprise. I fooled you. Raiden. Raiden is the winner. LOL. Exactly. Exactly, Raiden. Where are you? Are you still here? He stepped out. He's taking a pee. Oh, not rigged. Oh, there you go. Congrats. KB, definitely rigged. I did win again. Oh, that was good. Daydream. Look, I am no pro analyst, but I think it's unavoidable at this point that if we get green candles, we're going up. But if we get red candles, I think just maybe we could be going down. Exactly. Just maybe. And that's why market cap isn't necessarily an accurate indicator. Minus 20%. I don't know what you mean. I don't know why you said minus 20%. It's the number of coins, 147 billion coins, times the price. Yeah, so I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about, Anthony. You have huge stock market crashes in the past. Absolutely. But people who are basically a short-term holder. Yeah, but that doesn't affect market cap, Space Cowboy. Market cap is market cap. Robinhood holds 28% in that one wallet. That's part of the 147 billion total Dogecoin. Doesn't change the market cap. What's the next target? Up or down? Every 69 minutes, I'm buying 69 Doge. Bears will be bears. Oh, Cohen, it was you that bought Anthony 69 Doge. Well, there you go. Keep up the buy pressure, Mr. 69 Doge. Absolutely. It was all a setup. The winners are my kids. Right. That's a good one. They're all my kids. Raiden, you're my kid. Oh. Belkey, I saw you don't have to multiple posts. You really don't. We're trying to get out of this cup and handle formation, trying to get above 20.2 resistance. So there's no target. There really isn't a target. Zach was a previous winner. Yep. And you're not my kid. Not my kid. Raiden no longer needs a job at your salon, Charlotte. He's now rolling in Dogecoin. February is now your least favorite month. I know, it's my birth month too. Now I got this 46% all-time worst February in Dogecoin's history hanging over me. Raiden put the blood code in Abacab. The only Abacab I know is the Genesis song. It's the only Abacab I know. Dad, can I get 1 million Doge load? Sure. Has Robinhood recovered from the... They're trying to ignore it like it never happened. They're trying to be all good and nicey nice to everybody. We don't forget. We don't forget. And in fact, I have it memorialized, guys. I took a screenshot. Let me see where that was. Was it this one? Which one was that? Because I had it on here. I showed it before. It's here. Right there. It's that one. Nope, not that one. It's the next one. That one. There it is. So this is a screenshot that I took on, this would be January 29th. This is how much Dogecoin I had. This was my 500,000 Dogecoin. $40,000 on January 29th, 2021. And look what it says right here. Due to ongoing volatility, some securities like AMC and GME are position closing only, meaning you could not buy GameStop. The buy button was gone. Can't live that down with Robinhood. Can't live that down. I'm not sending Gajalin my email. He can go back in the stream and he can see it on the screen. I mean, I put it up on the screen like 10 times. Okay? Gajalin, whatever your name is, just go back in the... I had it on the screen, so take a look at it. I'm not going to hold your hand. If you want the Dogecoin, do a little work, please. Do a little work. You were the first winner, Ryan. I remember. I remember. You're the stepson to go adopted. Abacab was a Sega code for Mortal Kombat. Really? Did they take it from Genesis? What year did that come out? Because the Genesis song came out in the 1980s. Age is nothing but a state of mind. That's what I say too. People ask me how old I am. I'm just like, I feel good. Oh. I know. We used to have real violence in kids' games. And everything got all PC. Ugh. Yes, my email is also on my about page. You have to click on the button on that to get it. It's there too. It's over, Jay Vanderbeek. It's over. No. And Adrian likes pancakes. I've got one of those pancake grills for making pancakes. Used to use it a lot when the kids were little. And then one of those big waffle makers makes a real thick waffles. That is good. We still use that every once in a while, but we're eating a lot healthier now, so not so many carbs. So yeah, really haven't pulled that out for a while. But those thick waffles, oh, they're so good. But no, we're getting healthier, eating healthier. Can we do the next stream in Morse code? What was the name of that film, the Korean film that won Best Picture a number of years ago, where Morse code was like the key part of it? What was the name of that movie? That was an awesome movie. Parasite. Yes, Adam. Parasite. That was it. What an awesome movie. Of course, I liked it as an architect. I thought the house was really cool. Custom, designed by an architect who used to live in that house. And the whole idea was the housekeeper worked for the architect. And then that same housekeeper stayed there because of, the house was nuts looking, wasn't it? That was cool. Parasite. What a great movie. And the whole disposition of like where they lived, like way down in the basement, at the bottom of all those hills. And that house was all the way up at the top. And when it was raining, like all the water flowed all the way. That was such a cool movie. So well done. It deserved to win an Oscar. So good. If you guys haven't seen it, I think it's on Netflix. You can watch it. Parasite. Great movie. I wouldn't be selling any Dogecoin considering it's in the government. I don't know about that. Elon like totally ignored the whole Dogecoin thing and just calls Doge now the Department of Government Efficiency. So he's all on that now. So totally different now. If you're not first, you're last. We need money. Doge just can't get over 20 points. I've got this blue line here, and it is a resistance line. It's just not getting over it. Bitcoin's at 84,000. Doge just not getting over that now. Galazin, I gotcha. You found me. Awesome. Gotcha. French toast, even better. Yeah, but the problem is now you got the egg thing, right? Another egg. Depends on how many eggs you use, I guess. Eggs are so expensive. Dinner tonight is gnocchi with meatballs and mushrooms. It's a gnocchi. It's a gnocchi night. Don't come on here asking for Doge, Subi. Do it again, you're banned. You can't come on here asking for Doge. Dude. Where is the God candle, Aaron? I know. We're waiting. Yeah, Korean, Chinese. Again, that other one was Chinese that I told you about. What was that called? It was Fear, Lust, Caution. Lust, Caution. That was the Chinese movie. Great movie. Parasite is very good. Lust, Caution is better. For those looking for a great, great movie. Again, subtitles, you got to read. So for some of you, that might be a lot of work. I know. But Lust, Caution is an amazing movie. Amazing movie. That's one of those movies. Well, Parasite is like that too. It's one of those movies where you don't know what's going to happen next. You have no idea what's going to happen. I love movies like that. Talking of houses, I went to see the Winchester House. I don't know what you guys are all talking about. I missed something. Oh, games. I get it. All those games. All those old games. My Italian wife says yummy. Gnocchi. Right. With the G. That's it, Ryan. That's what we're having tonight. Technically, I'm supposed to have gnocchi with meatballs. Yeah, I don't know, but that's what we're doing. And mushrooms. You rewatched Predator the other day. I have not seen that movie in a long time. I remember watching it back in the day. You like the subtitle movies? You got to pay attention. And the original Alien, of course, classic. That's another one of those movies you don't know what's happening next. Yeah, VP is, I know, joke smoke. That's why I stopped watching. Gnocchi. Yeah, it's Japanese. Christoph. It's Japanese. Then you'll love the Dogecoin movie. So we don't know what's going to happen next. My son wants me to go with him to the Minecraft movie in April. I'm like, really? I mean, we grew up with Minecraft. He made like these amazing worlds and builds and all of this stuff. Played a million games of like Bed Wars, and we did Roblox and like all that stuff. And now they're going to make a Minecraft movie. Do I have to go? Do I really have to go? I'm like, I don't know. Jack Black as Steve, and it's just, I don't know about that. Subtitles ruins the immersion. Yeah, what, do you want to listen to the dubbed version? Dub. No dub for me. No dub. I see it now. I see the light. No Minecraft. Thanks for the idea. Ramen for dinner. Oh. There's a trilogy of Korean movies about Admiral Yi during invasion of Japan. Interesting. Ms. KrissPax likes war movies. She's very interested in war history. Same here with Minecraft. I'm like, better stuff your pockets with candy before. Jack Black is awesome. Yeah, but you know what? He just plays Jack Black. He has one character. It's not really acting. It's just him being him. The Abyss was awesome. Yeah. All the stories afterward, though, of what it took to make that movie. Ugh. Yeah, but I'm terrible at multitasking, Greg. I really am. I'm not really good at it, but for movies, I do pay attention. Yes, you have to go see Minecraft. Thanks, Ryan. Gotta go see it. Ugh. I'm going to pay in Dogecoin. Probably. AMC, pay in Dogecoin. School of Rock was great. Agreed. You saw Crouching Tiger dubbed? Really? Yeah, I didn't. I read it. There's some English in there, if I recall, but dub 2x speed. Escape from New York. That was like who? Kurt Russell? Escape from New York? That goes back. You and Miss Pax can have a movie night. Oh. GameStop was never going to invest in Dogecoin. In fact, it's still a question whether GameStop is even going to invest in Bitcoin. I think Ryan Cohen is interested in investing in like other businesses, and maybe not the Bitcoin strategic reserve thing. If he did that, GameStop stock would go up and he would make a lot of money. But I think he's interested in other businesses, though. I don't know. But yeah, we'll see what Ryan does with GameStop. The stock is like $25 still. It's just not doing much. Not doing much. There were a lot of Kung Fu movies back in the day. Most of them were dubbed. I remember seeing a lot of old ones that were all dubbed. What else is going on, guys? It's just like now it's Friday afternoon and everything's just kind of slowing down. Bitcoin's now going to go sideways. ETH 2226 going to go sideways now. It's like that's it. Solana 147, yeah, going sideways. We're just having a lot of sideways action now, guys. H-bar still drifting higher. But that's pretty much it. And Dogecoin is just stuck at this resistance line. As predicted. Barbecue. I'm looking forward to barbecue. But not yet. The dubbed Asian movies, they make them sound dumb. Probably. They didn't care about that stuff back in the day. Yeah, there's Hector, there's some conflicting responses to that Trump and Zelensky meeting today. Some believe that it was all a show by the United States. Some believe Zelensky's actually right. Like the European Union obviously does. Yeah, seems to be different sides to that. I think we just want to know where our $350 billion went. And that's going to be interesting. Again, we're just trying to uncover all the money that's been sent out of the United States over the years and just stop it. Stop it. We've got a budget to balance. We've got huge debt that we need to get rid of. DogeX is bullish on March. I do have a video coming out tomorrow on my March price prediction, which I said earlier. I'm sure everybody is eagerly awaiting since I was so right on February. I was so right. It was a reverse. They played the Uno card on me for February. Total Uno card. It stuck. Yeah. Stocks ended up the day up a little. It's good to see on a Friday. Keep sending billions, start World War III, or end it. End it. I choose end it. Whatever it takes, end it. No, and not everybody's going to get what they want when you end it. And no matter how it ends, the Democrats will yell and scream, unfair. But Trump said, if I was president, that war never would have started in the first place. And I do believe that. I know, DogeX, but Monday we will see the Starship launch. Starship launch on Monday. Panic sold, and that happens. Little shakeout. It does happen. But again, if you're panic selling, maybe crypto isn't right for you. I know you made some profit. That's good. Always good to be in profit, but panic selling? Ugh. Trump robs us in front of our eyes. Democrats rob us behind our backs. There's a lot of truth there. There is a lot of truth there. Wow. Yeah, I do see Europe has a vested interest. But where that's coming from is such fear that I don't know. Yeah, we touch on the politics only as it relates to the price of our favorite cryptocurrency, what's happening in the markets. So as long as we can stay away from World War III, right, which would suck, like all of our investments would go down, let's not do that. That's what I'm saying. It all adds up, Johnny. You say barely 1% of the budget, but it all adds up. And that's what we're finding, is all of the billions of little things that all add up. Waste, fraud, abuse. Cut it. You're at the beach? Really? You're at the beach? Will the Doge dividend check be paid in Doge? They're not talking about that. No. And I don't think there's a way to make that happen. The U.S. Treasury can only send out dollars. Dropped 10%, went back up 5%. It's a start. Way you sold? Well, it's better than shipping it off into the Netherlands, right? Glad you got it back, but so now what are you going to do? Oh, that's what it is. You're going to be stuck with leftovers. Got some of that chicken parm left? That sounded good. I know, Ryan. The deadline's coming. It's a couple more hours now for that 40-cent Dogecoin. I just don't want World War III, guys. That's not good for my finances or yours. Is Doge making a cup of handle on the 1 hour? Well, I mean, we were watching this 15-minute one, right? But we didn't get back up to the neckline, which is 20.6. So it's a little low. What does that look like on the 1 hour? Yes, it's the same thing. Didn't quite get back up to that level. It's doing what I predicted. It's not going to finish the cup, and it's just going to come out sideways for tomorrow. That's what I think is going to happen. This white line here. That's my prediction for tomorrow. Exactly. Read the body language, DB, especially when they're talking about Dogecoin and the tokens. I could see it. They're dancing around the Trump token. They're thinking it. That's what I read into their body language, was like, and they danced around it. I don't know if I can watch all 3 hours though. Not on straight time. I kind of have to speed it up. We can't rule out a black swan event. Well, I mean, the tariffs are already priced in. I mean, it's all. A lot of people think the stock market is still too high of a valuation and that we'll see the stocks coming down a bit. And that probably wouldn't be great for crypto. Joke Smoke, super chat. You've got a Crown and Coke. Nice. Enjoying a little beverage. What's this thing about March 4th? People are talking about March 4th. I have no idea what's going on. That's what, next Tuesday? I have no idea. You have to tell me. Oh, the tariffs? It's all priced in. It's all priced in. We got 2 dumps because of tariffs, the fear of tariffs. So now it's like, whatever. Now they just go into effect. Doesn't change anything. No news on X money. Still will matter. X money starts up, Dogecoin will pump, whether it's on it or not. And it won't be. I already know that. But it'll still help Dogecoin pump. Again, it's the idea that Dogecoin might be there that gets people to buy Dogecoin. It's all hype. Yeah, I'm not following the details on their website and all of those things. Not following that. Spaceballs 2, the search for more money. Yeah, Kilroy, that's a tough thing to do. You're hoping for that dip just a little bit further. I know. And I actually set a market order, but I set it for just a little bit lower than the price was at the time, and it hit. But man, if it hadn't hit, so that's where I was at 15.6, because it had just had these two green candles that went up to, 18.6. It'd gone up to 18.7. And so I set a limit order at 18.6, and it came back and it hit it. It actually dipped again down to about 18.5, but 18.6, I'll take it. And that was my buy this morning. It was right there. 18.6. Imre is looking for a big month for March for crypto. Weather Girl holding strong, bought a little on the dip. Corey, everybody's still learning. I'm still learning. And that's also going to play into the whole mining thing we're going to do this summer. Going to learn about Dogecoin mining. Let's focus on convincing Kriss to manipulate the market back up. I bought this morning. I did my part. I took most of my paycheck and just dumped it right into Doge this morning. Nope, Kilmar, you didn't, not today. Maybe Sunday. Next Dogecoin giveaway. March 4th is National Pancake Day at IHOP. There you go. Back to pancakes. People have pancakes on the brain. Was in a meeting wearing an AirPod. Heard that I won and screamed like a little boy. Oh, God. You like the waffles? Linda, someone else said French toast already. See you on Sunday, Weather Girl. Fear Paul likes the pancake. Pancakes, waffles, French toast, it's all good. I'm just not eating that stuff anymore. Too many carbs, sugar. Trying to cut down on that. Be a little healthier. Yeah, I'm not going to be in it to make money, Johnny. I already know it. The electricity costs in Boston are so high. I'm doing it for to help security of the network, to learn. I mean, the big thing would have been doing mining like last summer when Doge was at like 7 cents, 8 cents. That's where you make the money, is you accumulate the Doge at a low price, and then the Doge price goes up. You're not going to make it between your energy costs versus the Doge that you get. But I guess at a higher price, right? The Doge you get is worth more. I guess that all evens out one way or another. Does Elon have a Doge miner? I haven't heard that. I remember the old A-frame IHOPs. They had those like aqua colored roofs. Very strange. Sunday's not the member only thing. That's later in March. It'll be later in March. This will be a normal live stream giveaway on Sunday. I know. Bullish on Doge. Just need to get over this blue line here. Get up to 26. This 20.2 resistance line is being very stubborn. Pancakes and waffles or French toast, Ryan. Not crypto related. Not crypto related. Or is it? Now that we're talking, there you go. Is it a good time to buy or a pullback? You've got to figure that out, Harsif. You have to figure that out. I mean, I can only tell you what I did, and I woke up this morning. I saw Dogecoin at 18.5, 18.6, and I bought. So now we're up to 20.2. We're hitting resistance, kind of flattening out into the weekend. And Bitcoin's doing the same thing, just flattening out as predicted. We're just going to flatten out. Dollar cost average, buy on dips, do the best you can. If you think Doge is going higher, alcohol has sugar? Is there sugar in a Budweiser? Is there really? I got to look at that. Is there sugar in a Budweiser? Huh. I don't know. I have to look that up. You bought at 18.65? Nice. Yeah, Elon said don't bet the farm. I mean, they were talking about the stupid meme tokens at the time. They were calling them meme coins. They'd already gone past Dogecoin. They were past that. They were talking about all those other meme tokens at the time. Elon has said that before, though. That's an old line. Don't bet the farm. Yeah. Why are you paying $100? I paid $2.80. My fee was $2.80 out of about a $4,000 purchase. $2.80. Why would you be paying that much? What did you say? $100. I don't get it. Dogecoin trying to poke above this resistance line, trying to get there. No, Anthony was all about Bitcoin, Trevin. He wasn't going to buy Dogecoin. He sold Dogecoin. No, the Dogecoin that was gifted to him, he sold. Yeah, I don't want to mine Monero. I want to mine Dogecoin. That's the idea. It's for the Dogecoin network. Exactly, RR. The Doge price dipped on Friday because I said I was going to buy on Friday. Dogecoin coincidentally dropped super low exactly on Friday. I know. Isn't it weird how that worked? So weird. It's a coincidence. Total coincidence. Feels like we're skipping spring, jumping into summer. Sometimes, even in New England, up here in Boston, we'll have really, really cold Aprils, and you'll still think it's like wintertime. And then May hits, and all of a sudden it's like 80 degrees, and it's like summertime here. It's like, we're spring. We're spring. Will Doge go up to 30 cents in March? Will Doge at least go to 30 cents in March? Magic 8-ball question. This is going to actually help for research for my March Dogecoin price prediction video for tomorrow. This is solid research here. Solid research. Is Dogecoin going to go to 30 cents in March? By the end of March, right? Solid research for the Magic 8-ball. Yes, definitely. Yes, definitely. It says. Yes, definitely. So there you go. Now I don't even have to make the video tomorrow. I was like, yeah, the Magic 8-ball said 30 cent Doge. There it is. It's crypto related because I'm now making pancakes. Ah. The weekend's going to be flat and boring. That's what I was saying. It's going to go flat. And then Sunday night, it'll probably do something funky. Yeah, there are websites where you can put in what your rate is that your electricity provider charges you, and they can figure all that stuff out for you. We're going to be researching that this summer. Don't bet the farm, bet the house. Exactly. French toast is killing it. 48%, maybe because it's first. Your body reshapes the alcohol into sugar. Oh, well, it's a good thing I don't drink much. In fact, this is the first Budweiser I've had in a number of days. I just did it because it was Friday. I don't think I drank since Monday. King's Hawaiian in Torrance, California has the best French toast. Dogecoin to 25 cents. Can't get over 20.2, still being stubborn. Coincidences everywhere. Market maker, right? Oh, yeah. And a price rigger. Yes. Wallets have recovery features. So instead of starting a new wallet, you just say recover an existing one. Breakfast for dinner. We used to call it Brenner. Brenner. Breakfast for dinner. We don't do that anymore. That's when the kids were little. We did that. Yep, they all do. Seed phrase. Mm-mm-mm. 32 cents, Linda says. My favorite basketball team? Yes. Playing Cleveland tonight. Should be a good game. All hail the Magic 8 Ball. Confirmed, yes. Well, not SpaceX is doing reusable rockets now. And we're hoping that we see that on Monday they catch it again. That was Coinbase. Fastferia. That was Coinbase. Now, I've done a lot of trading on Coinbase, and they have lowered my fees because of my trading. So there is that. I don't know what you're paying on, or someone else is paying on Coinbase, but I know my Coinbase fees have gone down because over the past 2 years, I did a lot of trading on Coinbase. So $2.80 for a $4,000 purchase. It's pretty cheap. Everyone buy now. Yeah, it was kind of like at least 30 cents. We'll see. Pulse X is going crazy. Really? I haven't looked at the crypto bubbles because those usually show up there. Yep. There they are. Hex, Pulse X, and Pulse. Big green bubbles. I don't know what's going on there. I've never traded these, but I know they were beaten down pretty bad. So coming back. If you bought on the dip, you're making money. Do we have any Norwegian beers? I don't know. Like, what's the most popular brand for export? No, I didn't join a membership on Coinbase. I just traded a lot. And by trading a lot, they lower your fees. If Doge keeps dropping, you might start drinking. Yeah, that's when the tariffs go into effect with Canada and Mexico on the 4th. Yeah, I don't think so, Johnny. I think that's all priced in now. We had the total fear of the tariffs. I mean, that was February 2nd. That was this big drop right there. That was all fear of tariffs, was that drop. And then we dropped again here on tariffs. So 2 big drops already on tariffs. It's not going to drop again. I don't think so. Not anything like that. Again, it's the expectation, the hype, the fear that moves crypto markets more than the actual thing. This is the bottom. I can ask Grok. Yeah, Grok will get into all of that. Your Coinbase fee is a lot higher. Yeah, I would get occasional emails or notifications from Coinbase that my fee got lowered. So that must have been because of the trading I was doing. Elon should accept Dogecoin for Cybercap. He should. No, it's coming, Johnny. It's coming. They said if Bitcoin didn't hit 90K, the market's going to crash. They said that, huh, James? Wonder who they is. Bitcoin will get back up there. Yeah, it would be a slow rollout in certain cities, and they have to learn all that stuff. I think, Tesla's FSD is probably the best learner, though. They've got so much data now, but it's mainly San Francisco, Austin, key cities where they've been doing most of their training. Some analysts are predicting Bitcoin to have one more drop over the weekend. I'm thinking the volume is going to flatten out and it's just going to go sideways. I know, that's the most credible source there, Ryan. They. It's the most credible. All right, guys, that's what we got for today. I'll be live again on Sunday. We'll have another giveaway. We got a bunch of giveaways coming up. Got more Doge has been donated for more giveaways. So that's coming. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Again, March price prediction video tomorrow. I don't know what I'm going to do. I mean, the 8-ball spoke. We'll see about that. All right, guys. Have a good one. We'll see you next time.
Dogecoin, which started as a complete joke, has skyrocketed to not a joke anymore. It hit an all-time high of almost 10 cents yesterday, but it was so minuscule you wouldn't have understood why you have millions of shares.
Didn't Elon tweet that too?
And arguably, the most entertaining outcome and the most ironic outcome would be that Dogecoin becomes the currency of Earth in the future.